Hey there, truck techs! Got a minute? Let's check out the latest Nexiq E-Technician 2012 upgrades. If you work with commercial trucks, you know Nexiq E-Technician is a game changer. The 2.12 version for 2024 is packed with must-have updates. First up, enhanced support for new truck models, including all the updated 2024 engine brands. Plus, diagnostics now read data 30% faster. That's right, 30% less waiting around. The interface has also gotten an upgrade. The new graphical mode lets you see real-time data in graph form, making diagnostics a breeze. And the big one, telematics support. You can now connect various telematics modules and access data through new protocols. So, if you haven't updated to version 2.12 yet, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get started. Faster data access, a new interface, and support for new tech. All in Nexiq E-Technician 2.112. Want to learn more? Visit balabobby.com for detailed info about the update.